Okay, so we have here Caroline. Can you see in here? We have here daily routine. Okay,
Daily routine.
daily routine is the one you do every day.
Yes.
Then wake up. Okay, and then get dressed. Have breakfasts.
Have
Okay,
breakfast.
yes. Arrive at school and go to bed. Okay, so what time do you usually get up in the morning, Caroline?
I have breakfast.
Yeah.
Arrive at school.
Okay, what time do you usually get up from school?
Um, I brush my teeth.
Okay, you brush your teeth, and then
First, I wake up and brush my teeth.
you wake
So I
up, brush
have
your teeth.
breakfast later.
Okay. So how about taking a bath? What time do you usually take a bath? In the nighttime or in the daytime?
What do you say?
Like you take a bath. In my country, usually students or we usually take a bath every morning. How about in your country? Afternoon or nighttime?
Um,
You take a bath, like you take shower. What time? What time do you take your shower? Like morning or evening?
mm, Evening.
Evening. Oh, it's evening time. You take shower evening time. Okay.
Yeah.
So we have here days of the week. You know this already. Very easy. Okay. So we have the subjects in school. I don't know if you have. So biology is a subject that study the life and structure of plants and animals. Chemistry is a study of the structure of substances, how they react when they combined. Economics, the study of how society or organizes its money, trade, and industry. Okay. French is the language of France. Next, geography. It's the scientific study of the Earth surface. What are the caves, the structures of the rocks like that, volcanoes, everything about that's geography. Okay, German, the language of Germany. Physical education, of course, these are mostly what kids like because they can do sports, they can play, okay, they can do exercise. That's physical education. Religious education, it is connected with your religions. In my country, Caroline, many are Catholic. So the religions here are Catholic, mostly like 80% are Catholic. So that's why uh we have our uh Christian living. The name of our subject is Christian living. Okay, so much the routine phrases with photos A and B. Ibutang ko ng Jillian. Ibutang ng mga pink. Okay now?
Yes.
Okay, what comes first? What's number one?
I wake up.
Wake up. A is wake up. Okay, how about arrive at school? What letter? Sorry.
G.
Okay, get dressed. What letter?
Dress.
Hmm?
F.
Hmm? Go to bed.
D.
Okay. And have breakfast.
C.
Okay, have dinner.
B.
Mm, okay, have lunch.
E.
Mm, leave school.
H.
And wake up.
A.
Hey, very good. Okay. Write the phrases, okay, in the order you do them on normal school. Okay, so example, this is number one. Okay, so what do you do in your normal days when you go to school?
Okay.
Go.
I'm done.
Okay, so what's number one? Wake up. Number two, what's number two, Caroline?
Get dresses.
Okay, number three. Three is?
It's free. Have
Okay, have breakfast next.
arrive at school.
Arrive at school next.
Have lunch.
Mm, okay, and next.
Leave school. To school.
Okay,
Have
number
dinner and go,
seven.
have dinner and go to bed.
Okay, that's the last one. Of course, you have to have dinner before going to bed. It's very common. Okay, so I know this one. Okay, so lesson, these are time. Listen to Sophia talking about her daily routine. At what time does she do these things? Okay, please, you can write your answer in the chat box if you want, or you can dictate it to me after you listen.
Unit 2, Lesson 2A, Exercise 4.
During the week, I get up at 20 past 7. I have breakfast at 7:45, and then I go to school. I arrive at school at 8:20. It's very close to my house. At school, I have lunch at 12:15. At the end of the school day, I leave school. That's at 2:50. At home, I have dinner with my family. We have dinner at 7:30. I go to bed at 10:00.
Okay?
Can I listen
Okay.
again?
Okay.
Unit 2, Lesson 2A, Exercise 4.
During the week, I get up at 7:20. I have breakfast at 7:45, and then I go to school. I arrive at school at 8:20. It's very close to my house. At school, I have lunch at 12:15. At the end of the school day, I leave school. That's at 2:50. At home, I have dinner with my family. We have dinner at 7:30. I go to bed at 10:00.
Okay?
Yeah, it's too hard.
It's too hard. Okay. 2, have breakfast. What time?
I don't know.
Okay. 7:45. Arrive at school 8:20. And then after that, have lunch 12:15. Leave school 2:50 in the afternoon. And have dinner,
You're
it's
7:30.
7:30. Okay, correct. Go
Go
to
to bed
bed. What do you think?
10 o'clock.
Okay, 7 o'clock. Okay, so much of this school subject with the icons, huh? Then listen and repeat all the words. You can write number only. You can write number beside. Okay, like 1, where is number 1? Okay, please listen to and choose the icons from the subject.
Lesson 2A, Exercise 7. Art and Design. Biology. Chemistry. Economics. English. French. Geography. German. History. ICT, Information and Communication Technology. Maths. Music. PE, Physical Education. Physics. RE, Religious Education.
Napapikas na eh.
Mhm. I'm done. Teacher,
Okay. Number 1. Okay, where is art and design?
wait, I can see anything. On this side, 6.
Number 6.
Yeah,
Okay, wait. Where's number 1? Music, right? How about number 2? Where's number 2 here?
number 2. Wait, let me check. ICT,
2 is ICT. Correct. 3.
PE, 3 is PE,
4.
chemistry,
Okay, chemistry. Okay, 4 is English. This one. This is English book, literature. 5.
um, math,
Okay. And 6.
art and design,
7.
7, geography,
Mm, mhm.
9 is physics,
Okay.
and
10 is economic. Okay. Compare the subject in task 5 with your own school subject and answer the questions. Okay, first. Okay, this is only the example, ha? Which subject do you do in school?
we do art and design. We don't do English.
Hmm. Okay. So, do you do any other subjects?
We also do history too.
Okay, what other subjects? Okay, by the way, are all the subjects here the same in your subject in school?
We also do music, geography, PE,
Mm-hmm.
English, biology, and history too.
Mm-hmm. And now, lesson and complete teams timetable for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Write the correct school subject. This subject is teams timetable. Okay, please lesson.
Lesson 2A. Exercise 10. 1. It's 9:05 on Wednesday.
Now open the first window again and click Run.
It doesn't work.
Is there a problem, Tim?
It doesn't work. My program doesn't work.
Let me see.
2. It's 11:15 on Wednesday.
Bonjour les enfants.
Bonjour, madame.
Asseyez-vous.
Sit down.
Oh, okay, d'accord.
3. It's 8:20 on Thursday.
Guten Morgen.
Guten Morgen.
Wie geht es Ihnen heute?
Guten Morgen.
Come in, Tim. Sit down.
Okay.
4. It's 10:30 on Thursday.
Okay. Now, let's start again. From the beginning. 2, 3. That's good, but can we try it again? This time slowly. 2, 3.
5. It's 9:05 on Friday.
Tim, have you got a problem?
Yes, I can't find the blue or the red paint.
All the colours are on your table. Look for them.
Oh, it's okay. Sam's got it.
Listen, everyone. You've got 10 minutes to finish your pictures.
6. It's 2:10 on Friday.
Okay, so China, Japan, India. These are countries in which continent?
Asia.
Yes, Tim. Very good. Do you know any more?
Brazil?
No, Brazil isn't in Asia. Where is it?
Europe.
It's in South America.
Okay.
Yes. But teacher, can I listen the first?
Okay. Okay, where are you, Caroline? Yes,
Can I listen again?
Oh, yeah, sure.
Lesson 2A. Exercise 10. 1. It's 9:05 on Wednesday.
Now open the first window again and click Run.
It doesn't work.
Is there a problem, Tim?
It doesn't work. My program doesn't work.
Let me see.
2. It's 11:15 on Wednesday.
Bonjour les enfants.
Bonjour, madame.
Asseyez-vous.
Sit down.
Oh, okay, d'accord.
3. It's 8:20 on Thursday.
Guten Morgen.
Guten Morgen.
Wie geht es Ihnen heute?
Guten Morgen.
Come in, Tim. Sit down.
Okay.
4. It's 10:30 on Thursday.
Okay. Now, let's start again. From the beginning. 2, 3. That's good, but can we try it again? This time slowly. 2, 3.
5. It's 9:05 on Friday.
Tim, have you got a problem?
Yes, I can't find the blue or the red paint.
All the colours are on your table. Look for them.
Oh, it's okay. Sam's got it.
Listen, everyone. You've got 10 minutes to finish your pictures.
6. It's 10:50 on Friday.
Okay, so China, Japan, India. These are countries in which continent?
Asia.
Yes, Tim. Very good. Do you know any more?
Brazil?
No, Brazil isn't in Asia. Where is it?
Europe.
It's in South America.
I'm done.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so number 1.
Number 1. ICT. Here, teacher.
Okay, number 1 is ICT. Where's number 3? Number 3. No, number 2 first. After math, what's next?
French.
Okay. French. 3.
German.
Okay. 4.
Music.
Okay. 5.
Art and design.
6.
Geography.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so we have here prepositions. So in preposition of time, Caroline, so we have a, in. So when we are going to use in, like month, and the season, like in the spring, in June, in May, okay, and in 2020 or in 2024. Okay, like time of the day, in the morning, in the afternoon. Or you will gonna use it by the day. Okay, it's complete the day and month on May 1. Okay, on May 30. Okay, special occasions like on New Year's Day, on Christmas Day, like that. C, at 6 p.m. Okay, at 6 p.m. at night. Okay, at the weekend, at New Year. Okay, so you can say, when you say at New Year, at Christmas, with that day. But when you mention like Thursday, it's complete New Year's Day. Okay, I don't know what's that. It's Christmas Day. It's that holiday. Oh, that's on that holiday. Okay, that's why it's holiday. Okay, so preposition of time before. I have showered before breakfast. Ring me before the weekend. Okay, so before it means before the specific time. Okay, when will you have your shower, Caroline? Okay, I have shower, teacher, before eating dinner. Okay, when will you go to the cinema? I will go to the cinema before I will finish my project. Okay, that's it. After. Okay, this is okay. After you do the particular or certain activity. I have to take my dinner after I take a bath. Okay, like that. After, very easy. During, it means at the moment. Okay, my dad works at night, not during the day. I will take a bath at night, not during the day. Okay, like that. Until means my mom is London until tomorrow. I will be having my class until what time? Until 4:45 or until 5:45. Okay, or until 4:45. I will stay at school until 3 p.m. Okay, so until 3 p.m. Okay, do you understand this? Okay, from my dad works from Vietnam to London. Okay. So my dad works from 6 p.m., 6 a.m. to 5 p.m. every day. That's every day. I go to school from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. every day. Okay, a Monday to Friday. Okay, find the preposition we used with. Okay, example, in. Okay, how about time?
At.
Feels ka rin ako. Nasa group na.
At.
Hindi na si ate, ate, naging mo ba Julia? Ate ko mo siya. Ate mo. Ate ko na. Pagkat ko nga sa dalawang minahulog. Di sa ko na ipangumanin mo karong mga tabang si James. Oh man ga, oh man na. Tapos, Ibera na James, 20 kay? Ha? Pa? Tapos sa pagkalit. Kali matanaw me. Hindi ka pagmadyo. Tapos kasi na, unang tatang kasi lang ako. Tapos, ang sa labag project.
Teacher, I'm done.
Okay. Okay, number 2. What's the answer for number 2? Oh, dako ako manakal aday. What kapag ko paday oh, kapag ko na ito kumay. 2.
At.
Yes. 3 days of the week. 3 days of the week.
On.
On. Years? Kana.
On. In.
Okay, 4 is years.
In.
Okay. Festival, like New Year's Day.
On.
Seasons.
In.
Okay, parts of the day.
In.
Specific day of the year.
At.
On. Okay, this one. Sorry. Okay, so sorry. Okay, Caroline, we don't have enough time. So thank you so much for this afternoon, Caroline. And I will see you next week. Okay? Thank you, Caroline.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay, bye-bye.
Goodbye, teacher.